Okay, cumulative frequency question about the lengths of 160 pythons. So we know that 4 pythons are between 0 and 1 meter long, 8 pythons between 1 and 2. And the question asks us to fill in the cumulative frequencies here. So how many pythons are between 0 and 1 meters? Well, obviously that's just 4. How many between 0 and 2? So how many pythons are less than 2 meters long? Well, that's 4 plus 8, which is 12. How many are between 0 and 3? So how many pythons are less than 3 meters long? Well, that's 4 plus 8 plus 16, which is 28. And I'm going to continue adding to get 28, and then this is 60, less than 4 meters long. 132 are less than 5 meters long, and all 160 pythons are less than 6 meters long. Okay, always the problem here with cumulative frequency graphs is where to plot the points. But if we try to think what cumulative frequency means, these 4 pythons are less than a meter long. Use the word less than, and it means that 4 pythons, so we're going to plot at 4, 1. Always plot at the upper end of the group. So 4 pythons. If we look at the scale here, we've got 5 little squares equaling 20. So 1 square is actually equal to 4. So I can put my first point there at 1, 4. Okay, 12 pythons are less than 2 meters long. Well, 12 is going to be 3 lots of 4, which is going to be here. 28 pythons less than 3 meters long. Well, 28 is going to be, there's 20. 28 is going to be 2 squares. 60 pythons less than 4 meters long. That's easy. It's going to be there. 132. Well, there's 120. 132 is going to be 3 squares above there. And then all 160 pythons are less than 6 meters long, which is there. Okay, now you can either join these up with straight lines or curves, so I'm going to use a curve, which just goes up, something like that. Okay, and the question says find the median length of the pythons. Well, if we've got 160 pythons, the median is going to be in the middle of 160, which is here at 80. So draw a straight line across. Make sure you do show this line when you actually do your question. So we go across to the curve, we then go down, and you should get a median of about 4.2 or 4.3 meters. So 4.2 to 4.3 meters is the median python length.